If I get the chance, the 45.50. Okay. And I will sell the other side at 4 if I get the chance. I got about a little more than 7 minutes to go. And again, this was sold for $2.15. The 45.50 double. Center strikes at 50. Maybe I can get this for. I'm gonna need it to go below 45 actually for this to work out. Now the other choice I have here is
trading connection lost.
Oh, God. Rather than pay $1 for this 45.50, maybe I can pay more than $1 for the 45 call and not bother selling
Market
the
data
50.
connection lost.
And then I got a shot at, so I'm actually
trading connection re-established.
I'm gonna cancel this order.
Market data connection re-established.
Try to buy this for $1.50 actually, if it goes down there, which it doesn't look like it's going to, but we'll see. So if it goes down there, buy that for $1.50, and that'll leave me long 2 at the 50 strike and short 1 at double. So if it rallies, I have 2 versus 1, which would be great, but all that is predicated on my buying the 45 call for the price I placed, which is $1.50. All right, now. So I really need this to move away from 50. I have a little more than 5 minutes. Coming up on 5 minutes. And the farther it moves away from 50 in either direction, up or down, the better off I'm going to be. My break even on the downside is going to be 45 plus 215, so 47.15. My break even on the upside is going to be 52.85. So that's double minus 215. And coming up on 5 minutes here. 5 minutes to go. All right, let's get a move down. Let's get a shakeout. I actually wanted to go down because I'm working some other orders that I would love to get filled on. If we go to tomorrow, this is getting close to $1.70 right now. I'm looking to sell it for 2x, maybe 250. I believe that would be good, but I'll reconsider as prices get closer. So where are we? 86 on this. So if we go down, I'm going to need this to go down to at least 2 points. At least 2 points. So if we get under 45, I am going to get filled on this. And the reason I'm trying to buy the 45 and not sell the 50 is because I'm not going to want to sell this for a dime. So rather than sell it for a dime, I'll just buy the 45 naked if I can. But again, we'll see. I need $1.50 now. So we go down another point, perhaps. This minus this. Yeah, maybe. Replace order. Maybe I can do this for 2. Let's see. So I'm working the order here. Maybe I can get it for a little bit better of a price. And this is the problem when vol is so low, because with vol at about 16-ish, I would probably get filled on this order now. But here I am not, so that's not the best. And I'm going to take less profit initially, but if it bounces back, then I'm going to get full value on what I have going. Let's see if I can get this for 215. And again, here we have this problem. Now it looks like it's going to want to pin at 50. That's no good. If I get a little more than 1.5 points to the downside, then I'll get filled on the 45s and I'll be in good shape. And really the profit generator at that point is going to be a bounce post fill, but I need to get filled on that, so we'll see. All right, we have a little more than 2.5 minutes to go for cash close. Let's see if we can get this under 45, and then I'll be in good shape. Money on the bid. 320 offer, 320 offer, should be 3 offer. Nope. All right, so again, right now it's sitting at my break even, 47.15. If it closes under 47, that's fine. It's just going to be a small profit, but really I'd love to get filled on this and then see it bounce. Less than 2 minutes to go. And we're coming up on a minute. Clock. All right. Minute 20. And it's sitting right at my break-even point, but if we can get it to scoot down, I'm actually going to replace this order and see if I can get it for 1. All right. So if it blows through on the downside, that's fine. And if not, we'll see. Now it's rallying. All right, minute to go. All right, so here there's not much for me to do. I'm taking the risk of it pinning, which it looks like it's going to do. But I did sell it for $215, so I got that $215 buffer against the pin of 300. All right, 30 seconds. Close at 45 would be perfect, but it just doesn't look like it's going to go there. And there's no, let's see what the volume is here. All right, so 260K there, so that's looking like it's going to be a solid pin. Boom, filled. All right, nice. So I sold it for $215, covered it for $1. I locked in $115 in profit. And if it rallies right now, then I have the 2 versus 1. Boom. All right. And that is how to squeeze out a small profit on the close.